How to log into Netspend All Access Card. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Netspend All Access and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Log in Netspend All Access account. Open it. With that, you'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, go ahead and type in the username. Then type in the password. If you want to save your username, check in for the option of remember username. In the case you have forgotten the username or the password, you can click on these options to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on login and just with that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into Netspend All Access Card. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.